Hi, welcome back. Okay, so now we need to integrate Aweber into this so that we can put in a opt-in box, which hopefully is going to look a little bit nicer than this. This is about as basic as you can get. So we can achieve something that looks more like this. And if we go back over to our Divi Builder, then if we click on Insert Module, you'll see here is Email Opt-in. So we'll simply click on that. Then it says Service Provider. So I use Aweber. I do use MailChimp as well. Actually, I've got a MailChimp account, but it's just for completely different stuff. But for my internet marketing, affiliate marketing, etc., I use Aweber. And also there's, below this video, there's a free trial that you can take with Aweber. There's a link to that. So if you haven't got Aweber yet, then go and grab that. Then what you need to do is you need to sync your Aweber account with Divi and Aweber. Now I've already done that, so in fact let me go and show you how you do that. Okay, so the Elegant Themes site, which they're the creators of Divi, says for Aweber, before you can use this module with Aweber, you'll first need to connect your Aweber account. To do this, go to the Appearances, Divi Theme, Options page in ePanel and look for the Aweber authorization setting. Click the Generate Authorized Code link to log into your Aweber and retrieve your unique code. Next, copy and paste the code into the ePanel settings box and then click Make the Connection button to confirm the connection. Now I can't show you actually me doing that because I've already done it. So if I go over to the Divi Options, Theme Options page, and I scroll down to Aweber Authorization, you'll see that it says Aweber is set up properly. You can remove connection here if you wish, but it's very straightforward. I'm not going to remove it because it's already in place, but you shouldn't get any problems in doing that. It's literally just authorizing your Aweber account with that. Once you've done that, then when you go over to the Email Opt-in module and you select, for example, Aweber, then you'll have a list of these lists here that you can choose from. So if you don't see the list, then it hasn't connected to your Aweber account. The other thing you want to do is obviously set up a list for this specific squeeze page. So I'm going to use probably the Payday Tornado one. Let me see if I can find that. One Payday Tornado bonus, that one there. Then the other thing also to say is that you'll need to request from Aweber to set the opt-in, to turn off the confirmed opt-in for API. And I'll paste the details of that, the email that you need to do, below this video as well. It is in my previous training, but so that you've got it to hand and you don't have to search around for where it is, etc. I'll paste that below so you can see. And basically what that means is that every time you set up a new list on Aweber, you can't, although you can choose not to have double opt-in, not to send a confirmed opt-in email, etc., etc., which is what the reason for that is. I'm going to explain it. If you have double opt-in, it's to make sure that people confirm, they give you their permission for you to email them. It's all about spam, etc. But if you're trying to get somebody onto your list via a squeeze page, then you just want their name and email address in and deliver the information to them. You don't want them to have to then go back to their email address, click on the link to authorize it, get something else sent back to them. It just gets very complicated. And although you can turn it all off with Aweber, you do need to ask Aweber themselves to switch off for the opt-in for the API, which is, the API is like using other software, third-party software like this to make nice little looking buttons so it looks more attractive. So anyway, I will, as I say, I'll put that below this video so you've got what you need to do to send to Aweber. Okay, so the title and the button text. Over here, we didn't have a title and button text, so this is going to be something that we can do. Let's see, the title, choose the title of your sign-up box. Yes, I want to discover more. Yep, button text. Show me the details now. Use background color, yes. Use background color, yes. Yeah, we're going to play about with this text color light. We'll play about this, see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to save and exit, and I'm going to preview, and we'll see what's happening. Okay, so as you can see, we've got light text. You can't see the text at the moment. We need to play about with this to make it stand out a bit more. You can see that this is also moving down a bit now. So as this goes into, but this is going to depend on the size of the screen as well, how this lines up. So one thing we can do to get around that is we can use a kind of shading effect over on the text here, so that it doesn't matter too much what is below it. For example, if I show you on this one, for this area here, we go back to this, we click here, advanced design settings on this one, and let's see, focus, custom, we want the background color, form field background color, let's try that one. Right, so that's not the one we want. So I'm going to go on reset on that one. Form text color, form field text color. Let's try that one. No, that's not going to be the one because it doesn't give the option to do that. So that's the text in there. I mean, that's all right. You know, it's not a problem. Doesn't seem to be able to do transparent on that. Focus background color, let's try that. Go like that. Just clicking on this little eye here to get a quick preview before we come out completely. Can't see what difference that's made. Focus text color, it's not really what I was looking for. I was looking for the background actually, but I don't use the email opt-in module quite so much. Okay, unless, tell you what, no, we don't want to go for that. Okay, let me just pause that for a second. Use background color. 1 second. Yeah, okay, this is probably going to do what I want. Yes, exactly. Okay, so as you can see here, this is just slightly, oh, sorry, I'm getting a call. Winston, I'll be with you in a second. This is just slightly transparent, but you get the idea. So because the background color is going to, it's changing as that changes. So we need to put things in place to make sure that we can always be visible. Okay, so that's enough for this video. I'm going to go and take that call, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. I'll see you in the next video. All the best, Trevor.